Best Sony Cameras. The demand for the best Sony cameras continues to rise as photographers, videographers, and content creators seek high-quality devices with reliable performance and long-lasting build. Sony's lineup stands out for its cutting-edge sensors, durable construction, intuitive layouts, and excellent value across a range of categories, from beginner-friendly models to professional filmmaking tools. This guide evaluates each camera based on type, image quality, handling, features, and price-to-performance ratio to help you choose the perfect fit.
Product number 1. The Sony a7 III ILSIM 3KB. The Sony a7 III remains one of the most versatile full-frame cameras on the market, beloved by both hobbyists and professionals. It features a 24.2 megapixel back-illuminated sensor paired with Sony's advanced Beyond X processor, delivering excellent low-light performance, crisp detail, and natural colors. Its 693-point phase detection autofocus system is fast, reliable, and ideal for action, portraits, and events. The body design is sturdy yet comfortable, with a deep grip that supports long shooting sessions. Videographers benefit from oversampled 4K recording, S-Log profiles, and impressive dynamic range. The battery life is significantly better than earlier models, making it dependable for long shoots. As an all-arounder offering tremendous value, the a7 III is a top pick for anyone wanting professional-level capabilities without the inflated price tag.
Product number 2. Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera. Built specifically for vloggers and content creators, the Sony ZV-1F is a compact yet powerful tool for on-the-go shooting. Its ultra-wide 20mm lens captures expansive scenes, perfect for handheld vlogging and travel footage. Sony's renowned face tracking and eye autofocus ensure you stay in sharp focus, while the background defocus button instantly adds cinematic blur. The flip-out touchscreen makes framing easy, and its directional 3-capsule microphone provides surprisingly clear audio. This camera also supports vertical format video for social platforms, and the lightweight build makes it comfortable to carry anywhere. While not suited for interchangeable lens versatility, its simplicity and optimized vlogging features offer tremendous value for beginners and seasoned creators looking for a compact secondary camera. The ZV-1F shines when convenience, portability, and creator-focused features matter most.
Product number 3. Sony Alpha 7 IV. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is a next-generation hybrid camera designed for serious photographers and filmmakers who want exceptional image quality and advanced features. Sporting a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, it offers richer detail and outstanding dynamic range, making it ideal for landscapes, portraits, and commercial work. The improved autofocus system, featuring real-time IAF for humans, animals, and birds, delivers near-flawless precision. On the video side, the A7 IV introduces 4K 60p recording, 10-bit 422 color, and enhanced heat management for longer shoots. The redesigned body includes a sharper EVF, a fully articulating touchscreen, and more intuitive controls. With upgraded menus and deeper customization options, it feels highly refined. Although pricier than the a7 III, it justifies the jump with major enhancements in usability, performance, and image fidelity. This is an excellent choice for hybrid shooters demanding modern capabilities.
Product number 4. Sony Cinema Line FX30 Super 35 Camera. The FX30 brings Sony's powerful Cinema Line technology to a compact and more affordable package, making it ideal for aspiring filmmakers and documentary creators. With its Super 35 format 26-megapixel sensor and dual base ISO, the FX30 delivers cinematic color science, impressive low-light performance, and beautifully smooth footage. It supports high-end features like 4K 120p, 10-bit 422 recording, and S-Cine tone for film-like color straight out of the camera. The modular design is built for rigging,
offering multiple mounting points and professional connections such as full-size HDMI. Its advanced autofocus with subject tracking, eye detection, and customizable focus mapping adds efficiency to production workflows. While not geared towards still photography, it excels in pure filmmaking at a compelling price. The FX30 is an excellent gateway into Sony's cinema ecosystem without the cost of full-frame cinema cameras.
Product number 4. Sony's Cinema Line FX30 Super 35 Camera. The FX30 brings Sony's powerful Cinema Line technology to a compact and more affordable package, making it ideal for aspiring filmmakers and documentary creators. With its Super 35 format 26-megapixel sensor and dual-base ISO, the FX30 delivers cinematic color science, impressive low-light performance, and beautifully smooth footage. It supports high-end features like 4K 120p, 10-bit 4222 recording, and S-Cinetone for film-like color straight out of the camera. The modular design is built for rigging, offering multiple mounting points and professional connections such as full-size HDMI. Its advanced autofocus with subject tracking, eye detection, and customizable focus mapping adds efficiency to production workflows. While not geared towards still photography, it excels in pure filmmaking at a compelling price. The FX30 is an excellent gateway into Sony's cinema ecosystem without the cost of full-frame cinema cameras.